Hello there gardeners! Today I'm going to show you how to make paper bricks. We need a stash of old newspapers, some gloves, a paper brick press and a big pot. I use a wheelie bin. I start by tearing strips of the newspaper into the big buckets or bin. This may take a little while depending on how much newspaper you've got. I try to spend 20 minutes here or there, and then the job is not too bad actually. The next step is to water your paper. Get it all wet. And use a broom handle to make sure everything is covered. At this point, I will leave it overnight to make sure everything gets soaked in well. For lighter work and easier access, I tilt the bin forward slightly. And this is how the bricks are made. Take a couple of handfuls of the wet paper and put it into your paper brick press. Then squeeze some of the water out. And then use the handles to finish off the job. Squeezing out all the water will compact your bricks and keep them in a reasonable shape. When you can't get any more water out, lift out the little sieve and peel out your bricks. I put them on a pallet so they have enough air circulating around and drying out easier. So let's make another one. Put the wet paper in. You might need a couple of helpings depending on how much you put in. When it's filled up evenly, press down lightly and then put in your sieve. Again, manually you can let some water out like that. And with the help of the handles and your weight, you can squeeze the rest of the water out. Making paper bricks is a good recycling job in warm weather. The bricks will dry out quicker, of course in the sunshine, and if they can be outside. Once your bricks are dry, I'll store them in the shed and wait until the autumn and winter when I get to use them. It might be hard to believe, but because they are so dense, the paper bricks have a very good burning quality. We use them in our log burner in the winter, and then the ash will go into the compost bin, 100% recycled. And here is what they look like and now drying out.